Low-profile modern cars don't work too well with ramps because of the large air scoops they have on the lower front of the vehicle. As you can see here, the ramp collides with the air scoop long before the tire reaches the ramp. The simple solution is to stack two 2x4s in this arrangement. For my car, the bottom block has to be 16 inches long, including the 45-degree bevel, and the top block has to be 7 inches long, including the 45-degree bevel. This allows the car to get up on top of these two 2x4s before the air scoop touches the ramp. Another advantage of this 2x4 pre-ramp is that when the tire falls off the pre-ramp onto the ramp, it immediately puts weight on the ramp, and therefore the ramp is less inclined to slide on the concrete, and this works much better. Another problem with using ramps is getting the ramps to match the width of the vehicle tires. So you can see here I use a straight edge, just aluminum pole, and I put it against the front tire and I aim it to the back tire, then I set the edge of the ramp right there at that pole, and that gives me perfect width alignment. The next adjustment has to do with getting the ramp parallel with the path of the vehicle. So we just take the same straight edge, we put it on the front end of the ramp, both ends of the ramp, and then we point it so it's parallel with the tire track of the car. We do this by moving the far end, the closest end in this picture, move that to adjust the alignment because you already set the width with the end furthest in this picture. Repeat aligning the other ramp and then simply drive the car up onto the ramps as you normally would. This results in a perfect alignment of both tires inside both ramps.